And how are we doing tonight, everyone? Tuesday night, 7 p.m. Eastern, our normal time. I had to pull my microphone around here real quick. Yeah, things are going well for me. I am feeling the good bits, Big Hey. Me too, man. I'm feeling good. Feeling good. A lot of good things happening. It was a great stream last night, too, man. That was a really good little lab we did on BGP stuff. And I would love to lab some more tonight with the stream. I have to do some. I actually have some prep work on work. Like I have some work things to do related to QoS that I'm going to be doing a change on tomorrow. And I'm running a little behind, so I need to actually work tonight. And I can't do that on stream, of course. But I'm going to talk a little bit about a couple of things. One is, of course, day 427. And today I got an email. Let's see. It was after lunch. I think it was around like 12:47 my time, something like that. I got an email that, the Cisco Live sessions are now available to schedule. And I made a mistake this year. Not a big one, though. Not too big of a deal. I'm going to try to pull up my schedule here so far. And as I mentioned before in the stream, one thing you, of course, needed to do was to be sure that you selected your favorites, because basically and I'll show you what I did here. I like the interface too. The interface is a little better, easier to use this year. Actually, much easier to use, in my opinion. There was a couple of nagging things about the Cisco Live, sort of scheduling interface last year that made it kind of difficult to use. And as I say that, I'm trying to get it to come up on screen here in Chrome. Log in. Yeah, the whole page is pretty cool too. I don't know if y'all heard, the entertainment also is going to be pretty epic this year. Let's see, Cisco Live and give me just a moment here to get it to pull up, folks. Yeah, the CAE, the Customer Appreciation Event. Oh, here we go. This might be the better way to get in. So it's just spinning here, trying to log in. Are a lot of people? There it goes, finally. My Cisco ID and password. Maybe a lot of people are trying to hit it. I don't know. Cisco Live this year is in San Diego. Okay, it says register now. Hello, I'm already registered. So session catalog. Yeah, this session scheduler is now open. And why does it say register now, even though it acknowledged who I was just a second ago? There we go. So if you did show favorites, if you'd already prepared your favorites, all you had to do is click schedule. That is awesome. That is so much easier than it was last year. I couldn't do this one because there was a conflict. I didn't realize. And again, the whole idea is the main ones I wanted, I got scheduled. So troubleshooting OSPF, yes, I attended it last year. It was great. It's Nick Russo, distinguished speaker. So it was really good, and I'm sure it'll be great again this year. And it's still stuff that I need. It is a level 3, a 30 expert level breakout session. Then there's troubleshooting EIGRP networks. I attended this one also last year. I will attend again this year. Peter Pollock. It is a level 2000, so intermediary, but there were some good details, good bits in here, right? Troubleshooting BGP. I did not attend this one last year, and I definitely want to attend it this year. Benit Jain, distinguished speaker. And then I couldn't schedule this one. At least not this particular session of it. Denise Fishburne, multicast troubleshooting. I have watched this online. Like I've watched some of these on demand, and most of these, as far as I can tell, you can watch these from last year. Pretty much all of these, as far as I know. Nicole Wager on IPv6, distinguished speaker. Definitely want to attend that. Tim McConaughey. This is intro. I definitely scheduled it. May or may not attend it. And then, of course, IPv6 deployment. This is kind of optional. Again, as I mentioned, my focus is going to be the walk-in self-paced labs. So, giving us a taste of what the real lab is going to be like in all three sections. Troubleshoot, diag, and config. So, again, except for maybe 3 of these that I definitely want to attend no matter what, these others will be cake, is the way I'm looking at it. So what I noticed they did this year too is you can go to your schedule and you can add personal time here, which is kind of cool. All right, it says register again. The site is running slow. I bet maybe a lot of people are hitting it. I don't know. But yeah, it did this last year. What I like though this year is you could click on like a time of day, and it will pull up like all the available sessions. And when I talked about making a mistake, the DevNet courses were full. In particular, the ones I thought about, again, these would be cake. So it's not a huge mistake like, oh man, I totally screwed this up. But getting started with Python, session full. I noticed that like all 3 of these sessions filled up like that, which is okay. They're 45-minute sessions. They're introductory mostly. Like, again, this would have been cake. I'm okay. I'll be nearby. DevNet, no, don't worry. I'm going to be over there by the self-paced labs. So even though I got my key 2 or 3, I did fill out most of the schedule with sessions I think I might attend, just to have them filled out, like your API tool belt. This looks interesting. Again, DevNet, 45 minutes. Oh, I did get into Dimitri's session. So that I'm pretty happy about. Dimitri Fiegel, systems engineer, sales. Mentors, woo, 2 days in a row catching a stream, man. That's great. Mentors, good to have you here, buddy. But yeah, so I got Dimitri, I got Nick Russo. I've got Denise Fishburne, who I've not met yet. I have not met her yet, so looking forward to meeting her, hopefully. And then Peter Pollock. Yeah, those are the main ones. You have a good schedule lined up. Thanks, Big Abe. Yeah, man, I went in. I'll bet some of these are gone. Like, I'll bet all the seats are gone. I'm not removing this from schedule. No. So that's pretty cool. This is new, My Dashboard. At least I don't remember. Oh, yeah, they had this last time. My recommendations, yeah. That's cool, RestConf. Yeah, these workshops, some of them went really fast. So next year, what I'll do is I'll make sure to add those to my favorites. Like 1 or 2 of them I should have added to favorites so that when I came in here today, I could have snagged them before someone else did. Crisco, yeah, but you can almost always still get in even if it's full. Yeah, it depends. I mean, they're pretty strict. But again, the main thing here, like this is not, none of this is really, I don't think, new information. Granted, each year I know they do something a little different, the presenters, but some of these classes I attended last year already. So if I miss it, it's okay. That's not the main priority for me. Definitely looks like a fun time. Wish you guys the best and have fun. Thank you, man. It will be fun for sure. So let me go back and look. There's one that I didn't expect. Yeah, like last year I didn't do any IPv6 stuff. So that's a little different for me. This year is I did add some of those. And yeah, extending enterprise network into public cloud with the CSR 1000V. I wanted to attend this last year. I did not get a chance. This is architectural 2000, so intermediary, which is fine. But yeah, I do have some interest in that, for example. Possibly running those in AWS, right? And then this looked really interesting. The CCIE in a software-defined world. That's a very catchy title. Programmability, automation, the value of technical certification. It does look marketing, but I'm okay. This is all like up in my life right now. Because I am dealing with a software-defined world, pretty much. Not the Cisco tools, like SDA, software-defined access, none of that stuff, but anyway, that's my schedule for now. Again, I guarantee you I'm going to be skipping out on some of these, but at least I have them booked, so I have keeping my options open. I have thought about doing this, the one-on-one. I've heard really great things about it. I really don't have a good use case right now, though, to be honest. I mean, I've heard that you can actually meet with someone just to talk about like how to prepare, tips on how to prepare for your CC, to obtain your CCIE. But yeah, I don't really have a good use case right now. Yeah, so anyway, did they make a public announcement about the let's see if they do here. About the customer appreciation event. Oh, they're calling this something different now. It's now called the Cisco Live Celebration. Interesting. Petco Park. Okay. Oh, that's where we're going. Home to the Padres. All right, interesting. Yeah, they talk about the last. So this year, I'm pretty excited. I'm trying to remember the opening act. Let me just pull it up here real quick. I'm just going to search on this hashtag for see less. Yeah, everybody's posting today. The tweet up. I will sign up for that. Waiting a page to start. Yeah. And I still need to book my exam. I don't know what I'm going to do there yet. Yeah, the hype gets pretty. It's starting. Are they tagging CAE? Yeah, let's see. CLUS CAE. This is old. Wow. Okay, that was like a useless search on Twitter. Twitter search fail. Hashtag fail. It's so hard to find information these days, just even like searching Google, I've noticed. Have you all noticed that? There's so much cannon fodder on the internet, and search engines are just not what they used to be. Even in very specific searches, yeah, so I do a search. Now, granted, I've been using Bing more, giving them a chance. Bing is worse than Google. I would love to say it's better, but yeah, here's from 20. Who cares about 2012? And there's a not found error 404 right on the first page of Google search results from 5 days ago. Seriously, man, like, why is it so hard to find things these days on the internet? Yeah, I don't think they've announced a guest speaker, Crisco, that I know of. I searched for 2019 and I'm getting 2018 results. And you know, I'm not the best, but I'm okay at like doing. I know how to do specific searches. Not found error 404. Ads. These are ads for like third-party companies who clickbait. Jeez, for real. Oops, that page can't be found. What, did they shut it down? So it's the Foo Fighters. I was just trying to remember who's opening for them. At least that's what I saw on Twitter. I've seen nothing official, so that could be fake news. But yeah, I saw it on Twitter, and I saw someone looked semi-official, like retweet it. Sorry, I closed the chat, but anyway, which if that is true, that's going to be really, really cool. So anyway, sorry guys, I'm just sitting here like doing futile. It kills me these days doing a search on the internet. Kills me. It's too much junk. Too much junk out there. Anyway, so tonight I need to work on getting ready for a change tomorrow. So no labs tonight. I did not make any progress in the workbook. I've been working quite a bit on preparing for some of these changes, but it is related to QoS, which is cool. So it's related to marking and shaping and you know, policing as well, weighted fair queuing, drop priorities. So it's awesome. This is what I've been studying to be able to do, right? So I'm super happy about that, and it's going to help me because it's given me some real practical experience, not just lab work, right? So I'm preparing to do some of the real thing, which is awesome. So anyway, I'm going to be working on that tonight. I got to run a few errands. And tomorrow night, I should be able to stream, but it should be just a vlog because, again, I have a change window after that. But thanks so much for hanging out, everybody, and stopping to say hello. If you are going to Cisco Live, definitely let me know in Discord. I know YYZ is going. I'm trying to meet up with him and anyone else. There weren't as many people in Discord as there were last year, I think, that are attending. But if you are, just we have a channel on Discord, and I think we're going to try to meet up. I think Tuesday night is what we might go for. What I might go for. So anyway, I'll be staying in the is it the Lamp District of San Diego? So I did get an Airbnb right down there and within walking distance of the convention. So yeah, we'll be hanging out. Let me know. Hit me up. So thanks so much for hanging out, folks. It's going to be brief tonight. Tomorrow, I'll talk about some more QoS things. Maybe get a chance to do a lab. Depends on how far I get ahead, but I doubt it. It's probably going to be a little bit of OT work tonight and solid work through the day tomorrow, just in preparation. So, but hang in there, folks, and wish the best on your own labs, your own study, work, whatever you got going on, getting ready for that next cert. Thanks so much for hanging out with us here tonight in the Land Tamer stream, and we shall see you tomorrow, same time, 7 p.m. Eastern. Follow me if you haven't already on Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and here on Twitch. If you're an Amazon Prime customer, you get one free Twitch Prime account subscription a month you can use. Would be honored if you use it here. If you're not using it at all, hit that sub button. Otherwise, we shall see you tomorrow. Sending out good bits. Have a great evening.